Is there anything better to do in Brisbane than waking up at 3 AM, climbing up a mountain, watching a sunrise and then filming some insane cinematic FPV? Probably not, so let's go ahead and find out. But with that being said,
if I'm not very awake, it's because it's fucking, what time is it? It's 4:17 AM and we are going to
like double the sleep I did.
Slept at 9 PM and we're out here going to climb Mount Cordeaux. I don't think it's a crazy ass climb, should be alright, but low-key running a little bit late. We'll see how it goes. We'll get to the top of the mountain, take some photos. I don't even think it's a very good photography location. So the drone's probably going to be flown.
All these excuses.
And look, worst case scenario, we'll have some amazing visuals, but yeah, I don't know what the photography is going to look like. We'll see you there.
so after hiking 45 minutes up the mountain in the dark, there were no signs of blue skies at all, and we were low-key depressed.
Right now it's like 6 AM. Dude, this is such a dud rise, man. It's nothing but like grayed out. It's so fucking windy here. I don't even want to change my lens. Not gonna lie, we barely filmed anything on the way up because
What's there to film?
it's so windy, you probably can't hear me for shit. But yeah, man, fingers crossed for some lights.
There is nothing worse than waking up at 3:30 AM, climbing a mountain, driving an hour away just to get a cloud rise, and that's what it was looking like. But after we debated to go back down the mountain, this happened. These are the photos I got, and I think they turned out pretty damn good because this sunrise was unbelievable. The foreground could use some work, but there's literally nowhere to stand because this place was a bit packed. At this point we were so hyped, there was no time to vlog. We set up the FPV drone and this is what it looked like. After that insane flight, we didn't want to risk flying our drones anymore because the sunrise just hit different. So I actually brought a hammock with me and I was supposed to make 2 little short videos and I was going to use the FPV drone. So we set it up on these 2 shrubs and gave the drone a fly.
We are on top of Mount Cordeaux. It is beautiful, but now it's very freaking foggy. It is an absolute miracle that the sunrise was on point and we absolutely sent the quad and we didn't lose any drones, so great job. Woo. Man, when we got up here I thought it was looking so bad, man, but a miracle sunrise appeared. If you enjoyed the FPV, if you enjoyed the adventure, stay tuned, there's more coming, and leave a sub, enjoy the ride, enjoy the journey, join the journey. Catch you guys in the next one.